The reasons why I use a scooped headstock instead of an angled one is while I mostly for personal guitars, I would usually always try to score in an angled headstock because I think it is nicer looking and better, and string trees are awful. But on the flip side of things, when I'm personally building guitars, having a scooped headstock means that I need much less material for a neck because I can just have a single plank of, or a laminated plank, but I can just have 20 mil worth of 20 mil worth of neck thickness, and that already provides me with more than enough to work with. Meanwhile, with an angled headstock, either I do a scarf joint, which I hate and don't want to do, or then I basically end up wasting a lot of wood. Now, the way to get around that, of course, is doing multi-laminates, because I can cut strips, but then those strips are even going straight, and then it has the angle at the end, which ends up with a little bit more waste product. Because I can show you on the Celeste, for example, like right here, this is just one plank of wood. Disregard the fretboard on here. But now when I start processing this down, this thickness doesn't change. Instead, my scoop for the headstock goes here, and then I carve around on the other side. I don't need to do anything more than that. With an angled headstock, I had to cut this into slivers like that. Now I'm already getting that much waste wood that I can't really use for anything because it's so small. Then trying to fit another one and another one up until I get to about 60 mil for a 6-string to work with. To me, it just feels a bit more wasteful.